Hi, I'm Tila Holloway, an implementation consultant with GVO, and I'm about to give you an overview of matrix items in Acumatica in under 5 minutes. If you don't already know, Acumatica is a cloud-based ERP that'll help your business run faster, smoother, and smarter. First, let's go ahead and go in and take a look at a matrix item that's already been set up within Acumatica in this demo environment. So we're going to navigate to Inventory, Template Items, and then we're going to choose T. Now what this is a t-shirt that has been created in Acumatica, and you'll notice your general information, but we're going to go ahead and come over to Configuration. You'll see our attributes, our default column attribute, our default row attribute, as well as the inventory ID segment and the description segments that are also set up by those attribute colors and size. Then we go navigate over to item creation. This is where we're going to be able to select the sizes and colors of those t-shirts that we have in stock. You'll notice at the top it says create matrix items as well as update matrix items. So if we had made any changes, we would have clicked update matrix items and it would have updated our inventory across the board. So now let's go ahead and set up our own matrix item. So you would navigate to common settings, or you can type in your universal search attributes and you can click attributes. So we are going to let's do a bouncy ball. So let's call this ball size. And this is bouncy ball size. And we will want this to be a combo. And then our values are going to be small, medium, and large. And then we'll save that. We don't need to do color because color was already set up for the t-shirt, so we're going to just simplify things here. So now we do need to go back into our inventory. We actually need to go to our item class because we need to add the attribute to the all other item classes, and under attribute go ahead and we're going to add ball size, and we're going to add color. Then we're going to make sure our categories are set as variant. Next we're going to do our default column, and we want that to be ball size. And then we want our default row, and that is color. Our inventory ID we'll set as our attribute value, and it's going to be ball size and color. So you'll see down here at the bottom now it's going to say large black. We'll save that, and then we're going to go back to our template items. And we'll create a new, and we're going to call it bouncy ball. And item class, we're going to choose other. And we'll go ahead and say that these all cost $5. And as we make our way across, we're going to go to configuration. You'll see that we have our attributes, and now let's do our description. And we want our description we can save. Now we'll go over to creation, and we'll go ahead and say all colors, all sizes, and then let's just uncheck a few of these to say we don't have those in that size or that color. And now we're ready to create our matrix items. So we'll click matrix items, and we're able to see everything that's created. Now we're going to be able to go right over here to our matrix items, and we're going to see all the inventory items that were created based on the information that we put in. So there you have it, the creation of matrix items in Acumatica in under 5 minutes. Contact goVirtualOffice if you would like a demo or more information.